Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check which applications have access to your microphone on iPhone. So, today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So, what you wanna do is to open settings, then you wanna swipe down a little bit, tap on privacy and security. Once you're here, you wanna tap on your microphone, and here are going to be applications that have ever requested an access to your microphone. So, as you can see, you can go even to the app clips, and also here are going to be applications that have ever requested access to your microphone. As you can see, I do not have anything right here, but if you had some applications like, let's say, Facebook, Instagram, you're going to see them here, and you can enable or disable access for them to your microphone just by clicking on a button. The on off switch, something like that, is going to appear here next to your application, and you're going to be able to give them access or not to your microphone. So again, how to get to the setting. So open settings, swipe down, tap on privacy and security, then tap on your microphone, and here you are. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.